Hi traders, Anthony here, taking a look at Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's just quickly go out to the daily and I'll give you my take on this. Okay, big push, thin leg, trading back down. Okay, so we'll just pull this through here. We've got a definite level here, a level that came into play previously. Resistance broke through, now support. What I'm seeing here is potential for this to hopefully consolidate around here. Let's just go down to the 4-hour, have a look at that lower time frame. Here's a concept. We have this range here and here. Market trades up, thin leg, returns to the point of origin. Okay, so it's going to look for liquidity, stop losses through here and back down. This is where it originated, this level through here, and it's a big level of liquidity. So there'll be stops and what have you resting in the order book around here. Okay, so it trades back down. Didn't get enough fuel to continue on here by the looks of it. Okay, trades back. So now we have a similar situation. We got this low, well, these highs here. We've got this range through here, point of origin from which this thin leg here. Okay, so it's going to look to fill this gap, and that's what it does. So it trades back down, looking for the point of origin. Okay, being this range. So with that in mind, I'm thinking we see this perhaps consolidate for a bit. That would make sense to me, and I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved. I know there's buyers involved here. You can see that there are buyers involved. This sell-off here is smart money taking profits, okay, dropping it back down for a discount. They reload potentially. I mean, it could go anywhere, but what makes sense to me is this hopefully holds here, and then we see it trade to the upside. So I'm looking for an opportunity to get involved around here, and I'll do that on the lower time frame. So I guess from the higher time frame, I'm just getting the big picture and formulating some kind of a concept in my mind as to what I might want to do with this. And I'm interested in a buy opportunity around this level. That's how I would like to get involved with this at the moment. So with that in mind, I'm simply going to go down to the lower time frames. I'm going to show you my indicators, of course. Let's just do this on a 2-chart layout now. Okay, with the idea of looking for a buy opportunity. Okay, so I mean, this is a big drop. I don't think this is going to continue on a bearish trend. The higher time frames are pointing north. There are definitely buyers involved. So with that in mind, let's see if we see this thing range through here, and if this consolidates in through here, I'm going to be looking for the opportunity to trade this back up. Okay, so we're looking for the rotation, and that's going to come, well, it's going to be easier to spot on the lower time frame. All right, so if we open this up now on the 5-minute chart, I'll be looking for this. I'll show you here. I'll be looking for this breakout. And what that tells us is, well, this one here is obviously breaking to the downside, a dip into liquidity, fake out, drops back down, and then it trades up. All right, but I'm going to be looking for this signal here. And what that gives us is we have we've got this high back here. Okay, we break out of this, and this mini trend here on the 5-minute down, we get a shift in the trend here, but we get the real breakout up through here. That's it here. Okay, so I'm not going to be looking to enter on the first break of a range. I want to see it kind of give me a little bit more. Okay, so that's the kind of thing that I'm looking for over here. If we see some sort of consolidation and a range forming, it's going to be the break of the range, but more than that, I'm looking for that second break. The first break, it could be a fake out, you know, and then it trades back down and it washes people out. So you got to be careful. But what I want to see is if we see a base starting to form here, and if we start to see bulls kind of moving in, and you see price action giving. Oh, you look at this price action here. See how that's leaning over, more or less. Well, I want to see this start to rotate, but you got to be careful because you can get tricked. Okay, it could head in either direction. So this is why I'm wanting more than anything this on the 5-minute chart. this signal here, bullish signal. This signal here, it's a bullish signal. All right, so you see how we get this base forming, and this breaks here. That's the first break, and then we get this break here. That's the one that I'm interested in, because usually this will give us an opportunity where there's more directional conviction. This one here can fall over, we get caught out. All right, so we don't jump in too early. See down here, for example, this is the kind of setup. Okay, we have this nice rounded base. We've got a break of this high. Okay, trades back up, and then see how the signal comes a lot later. I prefer that. That's where I'm interested in entering the market. Pulls back, break and retest, fail more or less, and then we're in, and we can enter the market there. If it's predominantly bullish, I'm only going to be looking for the green breakout. If it's predominantly bearish, then I'm looking for the red breakout. These are not buy and sell signals, they're breakout signals. Okay, just have to learn how to trade them. All right, so let's just head back over here. That's basically what I'm looking for, is if we get a green signal. I like the 5 minute. It's this trend channel indicator. We can simply add an alert, break out once per bar, and whatever you want this thing to do. Notify you on the app, that's handy. Notify you on your phone, not a bad idea. Anyway, I'll take those out. I'm not going to do this. So, I mean, yeah, that's it, guys. It's what I'm waiting for now. And look, be careful. This could break to the downside. Okay, so it's always going to be the break, retest, and fail. The break, retest, and fail, but the second break. Don't want to explain that again. Guys, click the link below the video and jump on board, gain access to the indicators, okay, and have a look at my YouTube channel. We have a fantastic program. It's just the best, and I want you to jump on board with us. Free trial, 7 days, give it a shot, Telegram group, everything. With that, take care, see you in the next one.